In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete images from your Constant Contact library. Now, if you're managing your email marketing campaigns through Constant Contact, you'll want to keep your image library neat and organized. This helps ensure you can quickly find the images you want to use and easily remove the ones you no longer need. Let's walk through this step by step. First, open your preferred web browser and type Constant Contact into Google. Hit enter and select the official Constant Contact website from the search results. Once you're on their homepage, you'll notice a login button at the top right corner of the page. Click on that to enter your account details. Make sure to use the credentials associated with your Constant Contact account. Successfully logging in brings you to your account dashboard, where all the magic happens. Next, locate the Create button. It's usually prominently displayed, guiding you to start building your campaign. Click on this and you'll see several options come into view. For this tutorial, we're focusing on images, so choose Send an Email from the choices available. You'll then be prompted to start from a template or a blank page. Click on Start from Blank for a fresh slate. This is ideal when you want to build an email from scratch or focus on a specific task like managing images. Now you'll find different blocks of content you can add. Drag the convenient image block onto your blank workspace. This is where you'll manage your visuals. If you have existing images in your library, they'll be readily available for you to view and manage here. Suppose you come across an image you wish to delete. Simply hover over the image block you placed until you see a delete icon or an option to manage images. This usually looks like a small trash bin. With your cursor, drag it to highlight the image you intend to remove from your library. Keep in mind, deleting an image from library means it will be unavailable for future use in any campaigns, so double check that you won't need it again. After you have confirmed your decision, click on the delete icon. You'll often be prompted to confirm this action, a useful feature to prevent accidental deletions. Once you confirm, the image is permanently removed from your library, streamlining your available assets for future campaigns. Organizing and cleaning out your image library regularly not only keeps your workspace tidy, but also improves your workflow efficiency. That's it for today's step-by-step guide on how to delete images from your Constant Contact library. I hope you found this helpful and are now more confident in managing your images. If you need any further assistance, feel free to reach out or check our FAQs for more detailed information. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.